Suntastic is the title of this paper pad from our friends at Mintay. Now, all of them are 12 by 12, and they are on a cardstock. Something else that's true of all of Mintay's is on the back of the cover sheet, you have a lot of images to cut out, and it really gives you a ton of embellishments. As a matter of fact, there are 63 cutouts in this one paper pad. Let me set that aside and show you each of the papers. Now, each of them is double-sided, and you can see on this side. Now, if you are a scrapbooker, your photographs are probably going to go in this area. But if you're a card maker, you're going to think in terms of cutting this apart to make 4 very different cards. On the back side, yes, there's backside you can use also. Isn't that pretty, all of that distressed? Don't you love the colors of this? Very, very fun. Same idea here. And there's the back side. Looks like a lattice. And here we have another. Ooh, gelato, so good. And on the back side, and here we have an ocean, very pretty, but I love the color of the sky too. And there's the back side of it, just luscious. And here is an all-over print. And on the back side, more, looks like water, of course. And then we have more cutouts. So these are simpler to cut out, but we've got gelato or ice cream, we've got scooters, we have succulents, we have this beautiful color combination. Everything works so well together. And that's what we have for the Suntastic collection from our friends at Mintay.